In this video, we will learn how we can convert a PDF file to Excel. To do this, we first need to import the PDF file into Microsoft Word. Open MS Word. Go to File, then Open and select your PDF file. Word will show a message saying that it will convert your PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK and your data will appear. Now you can edit it however you like. Next, click the small arrowed square in the upper left corner to select all the data, then right-click and choose Copy. Now go to your Excel file, right-click on the cell where you want to paste the data, and under Paste Options, select Keep Source Formatting. Your data will be transferred to Excel with the same formatting, and you can edit it easily. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.